Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of a delicious cheesy snack, cheese chili toast. It's easy to make and it tastes awesome. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave the suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
So we'll start with the preparation of butter. So here I have 3 tablespoons salted butter, and to that I'm adding 2 to 3 crushed green chilies. The butter should be at room temperature. If the room temperature butter is hard, you can microwave it a bit and soften it. So this butter is now ready. So let's start assembling our easy peasy cheese chili toast. So take a bread slice and apply the butter which we just prepared. Add some grated mozzarella cheese. This is Amul's mozzarella cheese and I thawed it by keeping it outside my refrigerator. So make sure that the processed cheese which I'm adding now and the mozzarella cheese both are at room temperature. Now add some chopped capsicum, some diced paneer, some more cheese, mozzarella and processed both you can add. Again, remember that the cheese should be at room temperature. Sprinkle some oregano, a little bit of salt, some chili flakes. Similarly, prepare a few more bread slices. Now heat a tawa or skillet and add butter and keep the bread slices. I added more cheese because I want melting cheese on top of my cheesy garlic bread. Cover and cook on low flame till the base of the bread becomes very crispy and nice and golden brown in color. And you can see that the cheese has very nicely melted. The reason I asked you to use room temperature cheese is that by the time the bread becomes crispy, the cheese will be melted. Try this recipe at home and enjoy.